Let's explore the Darlington home design by D.R. Horton. As you enter the home, nearby you'll find a powder room right next to the coat closet. Just down the hall is the elegant formal dining room. And the great room features a built-in fireplace with a stunning floor-to-ceiling tile bump-out. This gourmet kitchen is fresh and sophisticated, showcasing white with blue accent cabinetry, an expansive island, and eye-catching pendant lighting. Right off the kitchen is the covered deck, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. This kitchen is a home chef's dream featuring Jenn-Air appliances, including a gas range and built-in microwave oven. The generous walk-in pantry is tucked away out of sight, just past the interior garage entry door and convenient built-in bench with storage cubbies. Now let's go back toward the stairwell to venture downstairs to see what the daylight basement has to offer. Just look at this stylish retreat, complete with a built-in fireplace, a surround sound system, and pre-wired for a plasma TV. There's also a covered patio right off the rec room for additional leisure activities. This home also provides a spacious secondary bedroom downstairs, along with its own generous walk-in closet. Near the stairwell is a striking three-quarter bath with fully tiled step-in shower and a quartz countertop vanity. Now we'll follow the handsome horizontal open railing to the upper floor to explore the rest of the home. The upstairs of the Darlington floor plan provides 3 secondary bedrooms. Each comfortable bedroom provides a personal storage closet. Natural light floods each space through double-paned windows featuring Lowy glass for minimal heat loss. You'll enjoy premium plush carpeting underneath you and all the benefits of bright LED lighting in each bedroom. The conveniently located laundry room with quartz countertop sink and crisp white storage cabinets is also accessible from the primary bedroom. Down the hall, you'll find the shared bathroom with a beautifully tiled shower and storage niche, along with a double sink vanity. Now let's take a moment to explore your private bedroom suite. Adjacent to this wall of windows is your private bathroom. You'll love the luxurious tiled shower with frameless glass enclosure, or submerge and relax in the contemporary freestanding soaking tub. From designer light fixtures to custom closet installations, there is no shortage of quality in these homes. To learn more about included features, call us at 425-793-2009 and we'll help you find your ideal D.R. Horton home today.